Okay, so in order to delete our categories, let us go back to our code. In here, we can go to our PHP file in our backend, and then in here, we're just gonna comment this out. And the first thing we're gonna check is, we can check for, let's say, posts. We're gonna check if this category has any posts attached to it. So here is equals to, let's get the post model in here, post models, yes, inject it. In here, we can check with trashed. With trash, it basically means that it's going to query all the deleted posts. So here, let's do first where category ID is equals to this category ID that we passed here, right? Semicolon. Next, we're gonna get the category model in here. So let us just write category. We're going to use this to check if the category has any children. So here, just write category model, models category, find category ID. All right, let us now run an if statement. We're gonna check if this category has any children is not empty, if this query is not empty here, or if the post is true, if it is not empty too, and then we're going to return session facade flash error. Make sure it's lowercase error. The message category cannot be deleted because it has children or posts. Let's create an else statement in here. If this category has no children and has no posts, which means we can go on and delete it. So here we're gonna do category models category. The name is destroy category ID, and then we're going to return session flash success. The message will be success category has been deleted. All right, so just to check this, return the session. So let us just add one more code. So in here, before we do anything, write dd, just something simple, cannot delete. And then in here, before we destroy, also dd deleted. This won't do anything to our database. We're just gonna check if it is actually working. So here, let us try to delete this home or a post model with trashed. All right, for now, I think let us just remove this because for this course, we're not gonna attach trashed, and let us just remove this code in here. First, where if we cancel this and try to delete again, so you see cannot be deleted. You see why? Because it has got children. Let us try one more. Tools cannot delete. And also one more thing, garden cannot delete. Why? Because it has got children bucket. But if I try to delete this one, bench, which has no children, and if I try to delete it like that, deleted. You see, it has changed. Even here for screwdriver, deleted. All right, so this is working perfect, and now we can just go ahead to our back end here and just comment this out and comment this out. Now let us add a session flash so that we can so category has been deleted or not. So now we can go here. Let us go to Daisy UI here. If you can see, just come to the alert section. In here we can pick two, and we can say this. Let's pick this error HTML, just copy this and then go back to our code. Right, so after this category list in here, we're going to write one thing. Let us write a class. So let's say div.px7. Inside here, we're going to write an if statement, PHP at if session has error. Now I'm going to show this class, right? Task cannot be deleted. And then we're going to show this message, session get error. All right, and now I realize we have to change one thing. Right, so if we go back here, we just have to change one thing, which is here, make sure it's capital S, session flash. All right, so now let's just try to do if it will work. Refresh this. All right, wonderful. Now it's working. Category cannot be deleted because it has children or posts. Perfect. Now let us just go back and then let us add a few classes here. We can edit this ourselves. Here, text, white, my3. Same thing here, just down below. Another if, at if session has success. And then we're gonna go, let us go back to our Daisy UI. Let us copy one success message in here. Copy this, paste it in here, change the text color to white, my4. In here inside, we can write our message. Near session get success. All right, so now if we go back and refresh, now let us try to delete one thing, this bench, and see what will happen. There, you see, bench has been deleted, it's no longer there, and our success message has been delivered here. And one more thing, let us just add a success message for when we create a new category like that. So let us go back. In here we can just copy this if statement, and then we can paste it in here. Open this box. On top of here, we're gonna add something here on top of this enter new category. So in here on top of this, just add this, and then we're gonna say session has category created. So if you go back in here in the create category, instead of DD, we're gonna return a session too. So here return session flash, I'm gonna say category created. So here it's going to be category successfully created. Okay, so now if we refresh, let us now try to create a new category, machinery, just to see what will happen. Created, and no message here. Oh sorry, we forgot to output the message. Alright, inside here, just copy this into that, and now let's just try to refresh that. So now try to create a new category, electronics, category create, and voila, now we have this category successfully created. Alright, so this is pretty much it for our category list. We're gonna come back to it later. For now, let's go to our next chapter where we're gonna begin dealing with our tag management system. So see you in the next video.